Welcome to the Copper Sky Resort, where this condo unit you're able to Airbnb it for $14,000 a month in the summer months. It's Russ with the Mortlock Real Estate Group. Today on our featured condo listings, we have Unit 210 at 3211 Skyview Lane in the Copper Sky Resort. This turnkey Airbnb will bring in over $500 a night in those busy summer months here in West Kelowna. This 2-bed, 2-bath condo unit is a complete turnkey Airbnb with all the furniture included in the sale. At any point in this video you have questions about buying an investment property, drop it in the comments below or reach out to me directly on KelownaHomesource.com. The best part about the Copper Sky Resort is investors are able to 4 times the amount of rent that they're normally able to charge in these busy summer months. The Copper Sky Resort has some of the best amenities that you'll ever see. Starting with its amazing clubhouse that has expansive views of Lake Okanagan, the outdoor pool and hot tub, the gym, or the tennis and basketball court, just to name a few of the features of this resort. And if you're finding this real estate content useful, smash that subscribe button for more Kelowna real estate content. The prime location of the Copper Sky Resort is close to shopping centers, golf courses, wineries, beaches, and restaurants, and you're only about 15 minutes to downtown Kelowna. And if you got any questions about purchasing an investment property in Kelowna, BC, which is one of the most desirable vacation rental markets, reach out to me directly at KelownaHomesource.com or leave it in the comments below.